All right, guys. Today we all gathered together here in Abilene. This is the stuff that I brought. I got the clocks and griddles. We've got my Indians, the favorites, the Eries, my initial skillets. Then we run into Sydney's, and then some AB and I's. And then we got some 1057s. I got 3 of those. I got 2 of the Wagners that have the Wagner on the lid or handles. I've got a hammered. I've got some Lodge waffle irons. And then we come over here. I've got the dark and the light version of the O'Brien. I've got the pretty Chicago hammered. Got the Detroit plated. Got the, move that lid out of the way. I've got the BSR 7T, 5S, and the 7L. I got an ideal oven. It's pretty cool. You can bake inside that. I've got the huge 16 Spider. I've got my 20 Lodge. I've got a 22 Camp skillet. And then I've got my 16 Martin. And I brought the big mace. This thing is like 75 pounds. Everybody have a great day.